I'm about to show you how you can add funny sounds like this and also like this on your videos to make it to look more attractive and make it to go more viral here on TikTok. I'm about to use the TikTok editing to show you how you can create such a funny videos here now on TikTok. But please, if you haven't followed me, please support me to click the plus sign to follow my page. Click this video as your favorite. Anything you find out, please write it down at the comment section. I am there to answer you. Click on the plus sign, go to your gallery, import the video, click next, click here for the editing. Target the place you want to add that funny laugh that you have already downloaded on your gallery.
Colleague, can you borrow me one?
Stop. Scroll, you see overlay. Tap on overlay. Import that funny laugh that you want to add on the background. Let's check on the funny laugh. Take this, add to it, hold on it, and brush it down. It has become audio. Let's add the second one. Let's add the second funny laugh. Click on it. Also hold on it and brush it down. The two have become audio. Let's see what we have now.
Colleague, can you borrow me $1 billion? Why are you laughing over it? Does it mean that you don't have it? Why everybody is laughing? Is it too much?
This is how to produce such a video. Please support me to share this video so that others will also learn on how to do this TikTok editing and add funny laugh background easy without no stress.